Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to check for updates on your Mac. This includes both macOS updates and app updates, so you can make sure everything is running smoothly. Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe down below. It really helps support the channel. Thanks. Alright, let's jump in. First, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. By default, System Settings usually opens on General. From there, click Software Update. Your Mac will now check if a new version of macOS is available. If there's an update, you'll see the option to download and install. If your Mac is already up to date, it will let you know. For example, mine says it's running macOS Sequoia 15.6.1, so I need to update it to 15.7. Now, macOS is just one part. You should also keep your apps updated. To do this, click the Apple icon again and open the App Store. In the App Store, click Updates from the sidebar. Here, you'll see if any of your apps have updates available. You can click Update All or update them one by one. And that's it. That's how you quickly check for updates on macOS and keep your apps up to date. If this video helped, give it a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks.